strong.
Hey guys, listen here, back for another video, and today I have something very special. The Pokemon Go TCG ETB Elite Trainer Box. Now, I've been very excited for this set since it was first announced like almost a year ago, and I find it really cool because 10 packs. So 10 Pokemon. Hang on, I'll go to this screen. There we go. So we got 10 Pokemon TCG Pokemon Go booster packs, 1 foil promo featuring Mewtwo V, 65 card sleeves featuring Mewtwo, 45 Pokemon TCG energy cards, a Pokemon's Guide to Pokemon Go experience, 6 damage counter dice, 1 competitive legal coin flip dice, 2 acrylic counters, 1 acrylic V-Star marker, a collector's box to hold everything with 4 dividers to keep it organized, and a code for Pokemon TCG Online. As you can see, all you get, and I'm so excited for this. Make sure that the audio is still working. Yes, it is. Lovely. Make sure it's at the top. So, let us begin. It also has an attack right there underneath. Use my trusty blade, which is getting very dull. Come on. So, if I remember, they have Radiant Pokemon in this set, which is really odd. But let's have a look at this. Oh, look at this. It even has Professor Willow. Oh, the Apom. The Apom looks so happy. I'm pretty sure these are cards. Pretty sure all these are cards. Oh, I want the Apom. If that's a card, I want it. Hey, hang on. Each code printed on this to unlock a reward in Pokemon Go. Looks like I'm going to redeem all these codes before I upload this video because I accidentally showed them all. So, as always, we have information book about cards in the set. What's good? Does it have a card showing? Oh, yes, it does. Okay. So we have Charizard, Venusaur. Oh, there. Oh, the Radiants are shinies. Oh, Jesus, I did not know that. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. We've got both Pikachus. Oh, I've even got Sylveon. That's dope. Oh, they do. Oh, they do have the Apom. I want the Apom. Ah, where's the full arts? Oh no, no full art. Oh, that's sad. There is no full art. Apom. Why? No, is there Apom? This is sad. Sad day. Oh. Move our dividers. I have no idea how many cards are in the packs, but I don't think that much. Oh my god, 10? Oh wow. Actually, normally in ETB will only have 8. So it's actually kind of cool that they have like 10. Very rare. So here it is. Here's our Mewtwo V Super Cybolt. Dude, this card does look really nice. And the sleeves, yeah, they're just sitting on the box. Nothing really special there. But, to be honest, I was expecting something like Celebrations when their packs were like, what, 4 cards per pack? But fair, this box it cost me like 50, so let us start with the first pack with trusty scissors. It's been a while since I actually opened up Pokemon cards. It's 4 from the back, isn't it? Yep, there's the energy. I do like these versions of the energies. X2. Hey, we got the fire leader. Squirtle, Meltan. Oh, I gotta be careful. Keep an eye out for Dittos. Gotta keep an eye out for Dittos. Oh, Magikarp. No, that was a star. That was it was 2. Oh, we have Steelix. Hey, Sylveon. Ah. Search your deck for up to 2 cards and put them into your hand. Shuffle your deck. Oh my god, this card's nuts. This card's absolutely insane. Hey, it's your buddy. There's the gift buddies. Oh, wow. I'm actually really happy about that. Making sure I didn't miss a Ditto. Yeah, what's really cool is that in this set, certain cards will have a little Ditto at the bottom left hand corner, which it could be a chance of it being a Ditto. You peel it off, it's a sticker basically. Like, it is a pretty cool way of showing you, like, there could be a Ditto. Oh, Larvitar, Natu, Meltan, regular Meltan, and ooh, Tyranitar. Packs, but yeah, I am so happy that these are 10 cards per pack. Too bad the energies can't be a Ditto. That would be hilarious. Hey, my leader, the water. Oh, Amipalm, Slowpoke, Onyx, Charmander, Beebow, and Zapdos. That's the thing, I really want to pull a Ditto to show you guys like how it is, but at the same time I don't want to peel the sticker off the Ditto. I don't really understand. I never understand with the rates of these ones. Like, I guess this is supposed to be the energy instead. Oh, Rattata. Normal. Eradicate. Jungle. And a loading Executor V. That's pretty cool. We have a first V at least. Still no Dittos. I'm on the hunt for that damn Ditto. I'm also on the hunt for that Apalm card. That card's nuts. Honestly, it's absolutely nuts. Drop more of those Sylveons would be pretty dope too. Oh. So yeah, there's the Pikachu walking as your buddy, which is gorgeous. It's adorable in every way. And another Tyranitar. Come on, can we at least pull a full art at least? If we can't pull Ditto, can we pull a full art? Because I'm definitely not going to be able to like pull myself a Radiant Charizard or Blastoise or Venusaur. Eevee, what's your wimpy voice? Choose a random card from your opponent's hand Your opponent reveals a card and shuffles it into the deck. Okay, that's kind of funny. Body Bolt. Ooh, Articuno. Oh, we pulled ourselves a V. Do what? We're gonna sleeve this. We actually pulled something from this box, ladies and gentlemen. Giga Impact. 250 damage. Jesus. Look at the top 12 cards of your deck and attach as many water or electric energies you find to your Pokemon anywhere you like. Shuffle the other cards back into the deck. What? You can't use more than one V-Star power. Okay, so this is the one shot. Okay, that's pretty cool. How many prize cards do you get for this? What, you take... Oh, your opponent's knocked out. You only take 2 prize cards? What the... Jesus. Okay. Okay, game. That's actually a fair point. We haven't had a VMAX in quite a while. Like... I know we probably won't get a VMAX. Wait, I put Articuno up here. It's supposed to be down here. Slowpoke just looking out in the distance. Another Eevee, a Pikachu, Squirtle, Bibowl, Meltan, and another Sylveon. Let's go. That's 2 Sylveons. I'm curious what those codes are, to be honest. Oh, Chansey. Oh, that's Bark. Bidoof. Charmander. Hey, we got the Apalm. Hell yeah. Like, so happy. Bulbasaur. Hey, the other Pikachu with Wild Charge. Oh, and the Big Bad Blissey. And Big Bad Blissey. Blissey, Pikachu, and Snorlax actually have their own tins. Like, I would like to get one of each of those tins. Just so I have one of each of the promo cards, which is just them. Oh, lore modules. Charmeleon, Charmander, Bidoof, Bulbasaur. Hey, another Apalm. Can we get a playset of Apalms? Magikarp. Spring Arc. Oh, and Lapras. Nice looking Lapras card. Last pack. Can we get a Ditto? Or can we get a Radiant Pokemon? Radiant Eevee's in this, isn't it? I want to say it is. Oh, come on. Oh. Spinarak. Okay, Geysolpod. I saw Venusaur. I saw the Venusaur. I thought, did I pull Radiant Venusaur? I did not. But to be fair, this is still pretty good. Like, Loopy Lasso. Once during your turn, you may flip a coin. If heads, switch one of your opponent's bench with their active Pokemon. And the active Pokemon is now asleep and poisoned. It's pretty cool. Now, let's double check to see if I actually pulled any Dittos. Like, I probably didn't, but I'll like to check just in case. Don't think I pulled one in here. But I'm actually happy. Like, we got 2 Glaceons, we got 2, like, we got 2 of these Sylveons, which is actually really, really cool. And I'm actually going to sleeve them right here, right now. Because, yeah, for 1 Psychic, search your deck for up to 2 cards and put them into your hand. Like, what? for stage 1 evolution, this card is nuts. I love it. But yeah, we actually pulled a V-Star, which I'm actually happy with. And of course, we still got the Mewtwo. We still have the Mewtwo. So, I'm actually quite happy with that. So yeah, I do plan on getting back into the grind of let's do YouTube videos because I can now. So yeah, I try to get back into that rhythm. Hopefully, I can get some deck profiles done. Like, I don't know, do I do profiles of... Do I do another Rillaboom one? I could. I don't know, like, some of the cards might be out of rotation by now. But it might be fun just to show you what I've been running with for a while now. So I'll probably do that. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.